Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Class 7 Science Chapter 16, Water, a Precious Resource. Now, how much water is actually on Earth? Now, they say the Earth is filled with water and this and that, but how much is it actually there? 71% of the Earth, not Earth, of the Earth's land is covered in water. But 97% of that water is saline, meaning salt water, which is not drinkable, and 3% is fresh water that can be glaciers, underground water, etc. 1%, only 1% of the fresh water is actually drinkable. Now, they discussed about the water cycle. Now we know the water cycle very well, but I just have a picture here. This is not by me, by Google. So first let's start with evaporation. Because of the sun, the water evaporates, heats up, and evaporates. Then condensation happens and it forms clouds, and then the clouds get so heavy because they have lots of water in them that they burst, and that's how precipitation happens, meaning rain. And then collection is when the sea, rivers, ponds collects that water, and then that water again evaporates. So that's the water cycle. That's how the water keeps moving. Now, what is the water table? Now, people get confused between water table and groundwater. Basically, water table is the top layer of groundwater. Now, groundwater can be collected by rain, right? It can be collected by rain, or pond or river water might slip down into the ground and stay there for a long time, and then that's where we get groundwater from. You can't drink groundwater either directly, but some people have to because obviously they can't find good resources of water, so they can't really buy water because they're poor. So some people have to drink all of groundwater. Now, infiltration. What is infiltration? Infiltration is the process of water collection through soil pores. Now, what is aquifer? Aquifer is the underground layer of rock that has cracks and hold water. So that's a aquifer. Now, what is water management? Now, the civic authority of the region is responsible for managing water distribution in houses. So, one house gets too much. No, no, no. They distribute it nicely and evenly, depending on how much money they give each other and how things work out in that particular region. Now, this thing might come up, Bawri. Now, Bawri means an ancient way of storing water by building Bawris. Now, we are also having water shortage these days, so we are also doing this kind of stuff these days as well. But it is quite an ancient way to do it. Drip irrigation. Now, what is drip irrigation? Using water pipes to water a plant directly where the roots are. This saves water because if you water it elsewhere, there is nothing that will absorb it, and the soil will just have it, and then slowly it will evaporate away. So that doesn't use water nicely. So by just watering the roots where they actually need water, this saves water. With that, we have finished this chapter. Hope you understood everything. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.